Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another episode of Eco Talks. I'm Muhammad Azam Khan, EchoWala, and this is the space where we talk about real topics that can truly change your life from tech to personal growth. Today we are discussing a topic that affects students, teachers, and professionals all over the world, the future of education, how technology is transforming learning. To explore this, I'm joined by our special guest, Maya.
Hi, EchoWala. Good to connect with you again.
Hello, Maya. Today, me and my audience are excited to learn useful and fresh insights on the future of education. You are our expert guest.
Ah, gotcha. Education, huh? It's a system. Seriously though, what's on your mind about where things are heading?
Okay, how would you define the future of education in simple words?
Okay, simple words. I'd say it's about personalized learning, driven by tech, but focused on developing actual skills, not just memorizing stuff. Less one size fits all and more what do you need to thrive? It's shifting from proving you can recall info to proving you can actually do things with it.
Okay, can you tell why do you think technology is becoming such a central part of learning?
Well, it's not just that tech can do a lot, it's that it can do things traditional methods just can't. Like instant access to information is huge, obviously. But beyond that, it allows for individualized pacing, different learning styles, simulations. It can make learning way more engaging than, just reading a textbook. Plus, a lot of the jobs people are training for don't even exist yet. Tech lets education adapt faster.
Okay, can you share any example or observation where technology made learning easier or more effective?
I've heard a lot about coding boot camps, honestly. Folks with zero experience getting job ready skills in months. That's pretty wild. But even smaller stuff. Like my understanding is language learning apps use spaced repetition to really drill things in. It's not revolutionary, but it's way more effective than flashcards for a lot of people. Feels less like work, more like a game. Anything stand out to you from what you've seen?
So, what are the biggest ways technology is transforming education today?
Okay, biggest shifts. I'd say personalized learning paths are huge, powered by AI. Adaptive learning platforms adjust to each student's pace. Virtual and augmented reality are letting people experience things they couldn't before, dissecting a frog without the formaldehyde, visiting ancient Rome, stuff like that. And the rise of online courses makes education accessible to way more people, right? It's kind of leveling the playing field, though access to reliable internet is still a big issue, obviously.
Okay, so internet is the basic thing for any transforming education or the technology thing.
Definitely the foundation. Tech's cool and all, but it's useless without access. It's like building a fancy car and then not having any roads to drive on. Kind of defeats the purpose. So, yeah, bridging the digital divide, making sure everyone has reliable, affordable internet is the absolute baseline for any real transformation in education. Otherwise, it just widens the gap.
So, can you tell what role do AI tools play in modern classrooms and self-learning?
AI is doing a lot, actually. Think automated grading, which frees up teachers for like actual teaching, personalized tutoring systems that adapt to a student's needs, content creation tools, generating practice problems, or even whole lessons. And then there are self learning tools like Duolingo or Khan Academy, which use AI to track progress and suggest what to learn next. It's not about replacing teachers, but augmenting what they do and giving learners more control. Though, honestly, I've heard concerns about relying too much on AI and losing critical thinking skills.
Can you tell some can you name some AI tools or AI classrooms that can be used for self-learning for our audience and for me or for any learner? Can you tell us, please, with names?
Sure. For personalized learning, Khan Academy uses AI to track progress and offer tailored recommendations. Duolingo, as I mentioned, is great for languages, adaptive learning at its finest. Quizlet has AI powered study modes. For writing assistants, there's Grammarly and Quillbot, though I'd caution against relying on those too heavily. Got to develop your own voice, I know. And for coding, Codecademy uses AI to offer hints and feedback. There's also Century Tech, which is an AI powered teaching and learning platform, more classroom focused, but adaptable for self learning. I've also heard good things about Brainly for Q&A, though verify info there carefully.
Okay. So, can you tell us that how can technology make education more inclusive and accessible for everyone?
That's a good question. Tech can break down a lot of barriers. Online learning removes geographical constraints, right? Assistive technologies, screen readers, speech to text help students with disabilities. Translation tools open up education to non native speakers. Personalized learning caters to different learning styles and paces. And things like open educational resources, free textbooks, and courses make education more affordable. It's not a perfect solution. Accessibility needs to be intentionally built in, but the potential is huge.
Okay. Can you tell that what are the risks or challenges of depending too much on technology in learning?
Oh, plenty. Digital divide is the big one. Unequal access creates inequality. Over reliance on tech can hinder development of critical thinking, problem solving, and social skills. Concerns about data privacy and security are real. Distraction is a huge issue, obviously. And then there's the risk of algorithmic bias, AI systems reflecting existing societal biases. Plus, the human connection is important. A screen can't replace a good teacher. It's about balance, honestly. Tech should enhance learning, not become the whole thing.
Hmm.
Gotcha. Anything there you want to unpack a bit?
Yes, definitely. I just want to know that what are the risks or challenges of depending too much on technology in learning?
Ah, sorry about that. I thought I'd covered it pretty well. My apologies. Basically, over reliance can stunt critical thinking and social skills. There's the digital divide, creating inequality, data privacy concerns, distraction issues, and the potential for biased algorithms. And crucially, you lose the human element, the mentorship and connection a teacher provides. It's about finding a balance, not replacing teachers entirely with tech. Does that clarify it?
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, can you tell how do digital tools improve collaboration and creativity in education?
Definitely. Digital tools make collaboration way easier, right? Shared documents, video conferencing, online project management tools. Students can work together on projects regardless of location. And for creativity, there's a whole world of possibilities. Digital art software, music production tools, video editing, coding. These tools allow students to express themselves in new ways and experiment with different mediums. It's not just about consuming information, it's about creating something new.
Okay. Can you tell that what skills should students develop to thrive in a tech-driven education system?
AI driven, you mean? Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay. The core subjects, students need to focus on critical thinking, problem solving, and adaptability. Creativity and communication are huge too, being able to articulate ideas effectively. And digital literacy is non negotiable. Understanding how AI works, how to evaluate information online, and how to use technology ethically. Basically, skills that AI can't easily replicate. Oh, all right. Have a good one.
And how can teachers adapt and use technology without losing the human touch?
That's the $1 million question, isn't it? It's about viewing tech as a tool, not a replacement. Teachers need training, obviously, but more importantly, they need to focus on what makes them uniquely human: empathy, mentorship, fostering critical thinking. Tech can handle the rote tasks, freeing up teachers to focus on building relationships with students, providing personalized support, and sparking their curiosity. It's a shift in role, not obsolescence. Think facilitator, not lecturer. And remembering that sometimes the best learning happens offline.
Hmm.
You still with me?
Yes, yes, yes.
Anything on that front you'd like to dig into? We
Um,
were
uh, can
talking
you
about.
can you tell, do you think technology will ever fully replace traditional classrooms? Why or why not?
Nah, I don't. I really don't. Humans are social creatures. Traditional classrooms offer a sense of community, in person interaction, and spontaneous learning that's hard to replicate online. Plus, not everyone learns best through a screen. I think we'll see more blended learning models, a mix of online and in person instruction, but I doubt we'll see the full disappearance of traditional classrooms. There's just something about that human connection that's irreplaceable.
Hmm. Yes, you're right. What advice would you give to students about using technology wisely in their learning journey?
Okay, my 2 cents. Be intentional. Don't just use tech for the sake of it. Choose tools that actually help you learn, not just distract you. Learn to evaluate sources critically. Not everything online is true. Prioritize deep understanding over quick answers. And remember to disconnect sometimes. Step away from the screen, connect with people in real life, and give your brain a break. It's about using tech to enhance your learning, not letting it control it.
Hmm. Okay, can you,
Anything else?
yes, can you suggest a simple daily habit that helps learners make the most of digital tools?
Hmm. Okay, simple habit. I'd suggest a daily digital detox period. Even just 15, 20 minutes where you intentionally put away all devices, phone, computer, everything. Use that time for reflection, journaling, mindfulness, or just being present. It helps reset your focus, reduce digital fatigue, and appreciate the world offline. It's about creating boundaries, not rejecting technology altogether.
Definitely. Thank you very much, Maya, for your useful thoughts, for helping us explore these important things, these important ideas for living a better life. Thank you very much.
Oh, you're very welcome. Glad I could help, EchoWala. Anytime you and your audience need a brainstorm, feel free to reach out. Have a good one. Well, I'm still here if you've got anything else on your.
Okay, a big thanks to Maya for helping us uh, explore these important things, and even bigger thanks to you, our listeners, and who are very much for being curious, thoughtful, and open to learning. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And let me know what topic you want us to explore in the next episode of Ego Talks. Until then, set clear goals, take small steps, and stay consistent. Your future self will definitely thank you. Take care and Allah Hafiz.